Ignoring your previous success might mean losing out on potential future business. If you're like most small businesses, once a client is done paying the bill, that's it. You don't think about that customer anymore. Let's talk about ways that you can use your past client list to help improve your business and get more leads. And we'll do that in today's contractor marketing tips and tricks. So again, if you're like most small businesses, there's not much afterthought into what happens immediately after a client is paid and done for. You've got that client list sitting, and let's talk about why you shouldn't do that. The client list that you have now, you spent a lot of your resources on. You spent a lot of your money, sweat equity, blood, tears, marketing, and advertising efforts to get those customers to you. You spent the time to make them happy, to convert them from lookers into buyers, and ultimately, they were very happy with the work that you did. So why wouldn't you want to maximize that effort and use those people again? We're going to go over 3 different ways that you can reuse your client list to try to improve your business over time. Immediately after the job, very simple, you can send them a very quick thank you. That could be a simple phone call, an email, a tweet, whatever you want to do, a handwritten thank you note. At the end of the day, just do the simple thank you. Reach out with them. This suggests to the client that you're much more than just the dollar sign, that you care about them from a business standpoint. And while you're doing that thank you, that's also a prime opportunity to ask for an online review, to make the explicit ask for a positive review, to enroll that person in your ongoing review management system. Because again, at that point, you know they're really happy. Strike when the iron is hot. Make sure that they give you a strong review immediately after the job if they can. On a recurring level, once you've got a good contact some good contacts, an email address and a name for someone, there should be some sort of ongoing communication with them to keep them in the loop, to keep that top of mind awareness going. Recurring email outreach is a really simple way to do this. Email newsletters, monthly emails that go out to your entire client base are a very low cost, very effective way to get in front of all of your past customers all at the same time, once every month. It's a really low cost way to do this, and it's a very simple way to do this. It's very similar to social media. You should not be doing a hard sales pitch in every email. Really, you should be presenting them with some sort of information that they might find interesting anyways as a homeowner or as a previous customer of yours. Think about the type of content that may make them want to stop when they're scrolling on Facebook, or the type of content that someone might read in a housemaking type magazine. Some sort of softer piece of content that will ultimately still have them hooked and want to read more. And then later in that marketing message, you can have some sort of formal sales process, whether it's a specific promotion that you want to put out there. A very powerful thing to do is to use a referral program mention in your email marketing. It's a very simple way to power referral programs, a referral reward program specifically, and increase that top of mind awareness. And again, you can talk to all of your customers every single month, all at the same time, for a really low cost. If you're not going to do the annual reach out, at the very least, do an annual reach out. Once a year, send a holiday card, send a thank you message of some sort to all of your clients to again thank them for their past business, and hopefully at that point to have that top of mind awareness for either future repeat work or for another ongoing referral to you. And again, your client list is really important. You already spend a lot of time and effort reaching out to these people, making sure that they're happy. So you might as well take advantage of the situation and make sure that you're using that contact information that you work so hard for, that good energy that you've already built up with these clients, and maximizing your old client list. For more contractor marketing tips and tricks, check us out at footbridgemedia.com. We also offer services that help you with these exact problems. If you need help with ongoing review management, with email marketing, with ongoing print materials, or with your marketing in general, you can get more details on how we can help at footbridgemedia.com.